My name is Emily Carter, 35. Living in a quiet New York suburb. The rain taps my window. A familiar sound in this city. I'm a single mom, raising my 10-year-old daughter, Lily. We live in a cozy house, with a small garden out front. One rainy afternoon, I was cleaning Lily's room. Under her bed, I found an old, tattered diary. The cover read, Jessica Lane's Secrets. In neat handwriting. Jessica Lane? My heart skipped a beat. She was my high school best friend. The prom queen everyone adored. Boys chased her. But she always seemed untouchable. Why was her diary in my house? I opened it, my hands trembling with curiosity. If you love emotional stories, hit that subscribe button. The first page hit me like a punch to the gut. 2015, I met him. The man who promised me the world. Jessica wrote about a man named Richard, a wealthy CEO. He was 20 years older, charming, and dangerously persuasive. She fell for his promises of luxury and love. By her senior year of college, she was his mistress. I gripped the diary tighter, my mind racing. Jessica wrote about her pregnancy and Richard's demands. He wanted a son, offering her $100,000 and a house. But there was a catch. She had to keep it a secret. I felt sick reading her words. Her desperation so raw. How did this diary end up with Lily? My stomach churned as I kept reading. Jessica revealed Richard had a wife, Susan. A controlling woman. When Susan found out about the baby, she took it away. Jessica was left with nothing but the money and heartbreak. I paused, my eyes landing on a photo tucked in the pages. It was Jessica holding a newborn, her face full of love. The baby looked eerily familiar. Lily? My heart pounded as I called Jessica's old number. She answered, her voice shaky. Emily, is that you? I demanded answers. About the diary and Lily. After a long silence, she whispered, Lily's my daughter. I froze. The room spinning around me. Lily was adopted. But I never knew the full story. Jessica confessed she gave Lily up to protect her from Susan. What would you do in my shoes? Drop a comment below. I arranged to meet Jessica at a small coffee shop. She looked worn, her once bright eyes dulled by pain. She told me, About a man named Jake, a thug she met in college. Jake manipulated her, threatening to expose her to Richard. She got pregnant, unsure if the baby was Richard's or Jake's. When Susan found out, she had a DNA test done. The baby wasn't Richard's. It was Jake's. Susan took Lily, claiming she'd raise her as her own. Jessica begged me to let her see Lily. Just once. I hesitated, torn between anger and pity. Lily deserved to know. Her birth mom. But what about me? I brought Lily to the meeting, my heart heavy. Jessica knelt down, tears streaming. I'm so sorry, baby. Lily clung to me, confused but curious just then. Susan stormed into the cafe. You think you can steal my daughter? She screamed. She waved a legal document, claiming full custody. I stepped in front of Lily, my voice firm. She's my daughter too. Jessica sobbed, pleading with Susan to let her explain. But Susan wasn't having it. She called Jessica a liar. The confrontation ended with Susan leaving, threatening legal action. Jessica hugged me, whispering, "Thank you for loving Lily." I drove home in silence, Lily asleep in the back seat. That night, I held her close, wondering what the future held. Jessica moved away, starting fresh in a small town. I decided to keep Lily's origin a secret for now. Some truths are too heavy for a child's heart. Love this story? Like, comment, and subscribe for more.